Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accountable. 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 Accountable is an adjective that describes an individual, organization, or entity's responsibility for their actions, decisions, and obligations. It implies that someone can be trusted to answer for their behavior and is willing to accept consequences, whether positive or negative, for their actions. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the company is accountable for ensuring the safety of its employees. Why accountable is used in example number 1. Accountable refers to an organization's responsibility for the well-being of its employees. It emphasizes the company's duty to take measures to maintain a safe working environment. Example number 2, ethical leaders are accountable for upholding high moral standards. Why accountable is used in example number 2. Accountable can also relate to ethical conduct, where individuals in leadership positions are expected to adhere to and be responsible for maintaining moral integrity. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.